Hi, I'm your friends. This is After Effects. And let's see today why sometimes it's like the picture, the layer disappears in After Effects. So let's say are importing some file and I want it to be a PNG file with the butterfly. I have few of them, by the way, here. I'm importing. Okay, and it's visible. Do it a little bit like smaller. Yeah, now it's good, and it's here on the timeline. Okay, and I want to do some animation, but you see it disappears. And why is this like that? Because the duration of our file is very short. Let's do right click on it and go to time, find time stretch, and see that its duration is 200ths of a second only. Okay, let's change it and do it the same like composition. Okay, now it's fine. That's it. Thank you.